Wait, who you got? $7 Island.
Silver Dollar Allen. Boy, that's a good question. Y'all want to talk about Silver Dollar Allen? Look, I want to bet with Silver Dollar. Because Silver Dollar been kicking ass, y'all. And Allen, my homeboy. And he told me he can kick ass too. But then he told me he can kick. I want to see Silver Dollar been kicking ass. He done won me some money. Allen ain't won me a dime, y'all. All he can tell me is bet with 10-4 way. Now I done won some money with this. Bet with 10-4. Yeah, that's a good thing to run to, but I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to go on bet with it. Nah, I ain't see the 330. I need to see that 330 to give me put some different feelings in my heart.
And put some fear in their heart.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's right, Arkansas in the house.
Yeah, I'm finna see something, man. Let me see. Oh, they finna race? I'll be back, y'all. Oh, yeah, man. Got my buddy just finished spraying the whole freaking track.
Arkansas right here. Texas over there.
It's probably still wet.
Texas. Arkansas right here.
Okay, which lane y'all got, man? Which lane y'all got? Okay, we got 680 people watching over there on TikTok. Hey, y'all know I got a YouTube channel called Lookout Racing, and it's going down over there. 1080p. You know how y'all only can see one car at a time? You can see two on YouTube. I got the whole full screen. Y'all gonna be happy, smiling. Make sure you subscribe when you hit the button, though. We get over there, hit that subscribe button. Okay, I see a couple. He ain't representing nothing but a PTC converter. What he got over there? Gear heads. They know something at gear heads. Oh, he got a body shop. Okay, a body shop. He represents some machine shop. Let me see. Let's see, man. I don't know. Oh, I think this one, y'all. Hold on. Oh, they both. I'm gonna go with this one. His paint better. Oh boy, wrecked out over there. God damn. He all in the other lane still. I don't know what happened with the lights, but I was betting against him because he ain't got no light. He ain't got no light. How he gonna have a body shop with no light? How you gonna have a... Boy, let me get back before they say something to me. He represent the body shop. But he ain't got no light. You can't do that. Nah, he missing two lights. Nah, he need to do something with this body. Thing running though. He might not need to do nothing. That might be for extra induction. He probably, you know how sometimes you might as well leave it alone. But still though, he represents the body shop. You gotta fix that ASAP. Look out, my TikTokers that's watching, man. I'm on YouTube, 1080p live, man. Full screen, looking good. Y'all come on over and check it out. Look out. Okay, we got a turbo. Okay, off top, he from Arkansas. He ain't got no stickers. He got a parachute. Oh, excuse me. He got a parachute. I don't know. Oh, he got some up there. Oh man. He ain't got no stickers either. I don't know. He cleaner though. Yeah, he got an older car, man. He spent more money. Big time. Yeah, he got big time on his plate. He's nicer too. I'ma bet with him, y'all. I'm gonna bet with him. Yo. Beat from the D in the house, y'all. Look out. left lane. I still won. I'll take that. But left lane was running though. I'll be truthful and tell y'all. Let me see if he's gonna make a full pass. Boy, this track sticky. Watch his feet. Watch his feet. You gonna be able to tell. Look at that foot, boy. You gotta. No, I ain't drinking tonight. After all that, oh man, look, oh yeah, freaking thing wants to spin. Let's pump this juice up. Let's go down here and see what it is. We're gonna spray everything over everything he just spent, make sure the rubber is still hot. That TikTok.
No, I'm talking about the stand.
Where I get it? Amazon.
About 100.
No, 20.
Need that.
Yeah.
All right.
$20.
Like, what is it called?
I'm dual stand.
Okay.
I can send it to you. I
Well,
do.
I got that prime.
Yeah, I do too.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna look that.
It was on there. Oh yeah, guys, we're gonna keep spraying this thing down, dude. Yeah, that spray that we put on here earlier that you seen us spend about 20 minutes on. Yeah, it wasn't enough. We're gonna use some more of that stuff that I got from my buddy out there we did from college. Oh yeah, now we're bringing out a barrel. We're gonna get this flamethrower on it. I know what to do. I know what to do to this thing here. Don't look over here at me. Yeah, that guy smokes weed. He should have a lighter. Oh yeah, we're gonna put a stop to this. Bring the flamethrower out, crank the heat up. We're gonna scrape this thing now. We're gonna have to do it manually. Someone, Bob, go get the dinghy. We're gonna have to do this thing manually. These tractors aren't working. Freak. Oh yeah, dude. We're really gonna melt this thing this time. We don't want you guys